Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser. And then evenly apply toner. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener, apply to the target area. Let sit for 3 minutes, and then remove. Facial Cleansing Vacuum Cup, enhance cleansing effectiveness. Settings. Duration, 3 minutes. Suction duration, 5 cmHg. Suction duration, 1.0. Release duration, 0.5. Note, during operation, cover the small hole on the tube with your finger to maintain suction. Press the cup onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently move the cup towards the hairline, ensuring the treated spots are connected. Repeat until the entire targeted area is covered. This applies to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. For areas with severely blocked pores in the T-zone, additional treatment may be applied. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Roller Cup S promotes facial circulation and detoxification. Settings. Duration, 10 minutes. Suction intensity, 5 cmHg. Suction duration, 1.0. Release duration, 0.5. Apply essential oil to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Lift upward from the chin. Lift from the forehead toward the hairline. Facial Vacuum Cup, lifting and firming. Settings. Duration, 10 minutes. Suction intensity, 5 cmHg. Suction duration, 1.0. Release duration, 0.5. Lift upward from the chin. Lift from the forehead toward the hairline. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. 1 to 2 sessions per week are recommended, with a total regimen of 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnancy or lactation, heart disease or pacemaker implantation, unhealed surgical wounds or post-surgery recovery, epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, skin or infectious diseases.